you guys, welcome back to another video. Today's video is going to be this gorgeous pastel Valentine's rose set and I'm so excited.
I'm always doing the most, finish my cup and reload. Let it swing right back, let it swing right back.
So I'll start off by sharing the products that I'm using. The main colour for this set is Dreamy, which is this absolutely stunning coral peach pastel colour. I absolutely love it. I'll also be using Cool Whip, which is a loose glitter. Again, stunning. I'll be pairing that with Princess, which is this super pretty fine glitter. To top coat the nails, I'll be using Super Gloss. And I'll be using the Floral Foil Set 1, and to apply these I will be using the Foil Mate Gel. I'll be using the Opal Flat Back Crystals, they are absolutely gorgeous. I'll also be using the AB Shapes Flat Backs, and the brush I'm using for today's set is the number 12 Rainbow Aqua Brush. Okay, so I have already gone ahead and applied my XL Pro square nail tips to my nails. And I'm going to come in with my hand file. I've already come in with my scissors, my Stoic scissors, or the Gothic nail scissors would be fabulous for trimming these down. And I've just trimmed down the side walls just to make them a little bit more thin and to make them taper inwards. I'm then coming in with my nail files and I'm just tapering those in further and just tidying up the shape. And as you can see, it gives us a really nice, beautiful, like thick coffin shape. I absolutely love how these tips can just be tailored, so you can use them as a square, short square, long coffin, tapered square. As long as you learn and just practice how to trim them down and shape them with your file, then you're good to go. Don't forget to go ahead and hit that subscribe button, switch on the notification bell, and that way when I upload a video every Tuesday and Thursday at 5 PM, you will be notified to make sure you don't miss out, because that would be super sad. Plus I'm working on something really exciting and I would hate if you guys missed it, so definitely subscribe if you haven't already and turn on the bell. Okay, so I've gone ahead and I'm just going to apply my clear base. I'm going to do that to all of the nails and then we will be back. So now that I've applied the clear base, I'm coming in with Dreamy. I'm just applying this to the center of the nail and I'm going to work it down towards the free edge. And I absolutely am in love with this pink color. It is such a pretty pastel peachy color. It's perfect and so like delicate, especially for Valentine's and for a really pretty kind of, you know, girly set. I'm just fading that product back up the nail. I'm just going to come in with another bead of this because I wanted to take that slightly higher than I'd placed. So yeah, a smaller bead and then just blending that down into the product that I already applied. I'm then going to come in and I will be using Pure Pink, which is one of our cover powders. It's a super pretty kind of saturated pink cover. I really love it. It's so pretty to work with and so easy to work with as well. I'm just applying that at the cuticle area and then gently feathering and blending that product down into Dreamy. And we're going to get this really subtle ombre and it just looked so pretty. A full set of these would be absolutely stunning just for those that don't like a lot of art or a lot going on. It would just look super classy. Once I've finished with the ombre on this nail and I'm happy with it, I'm going to move over to the next nail. So I'm going to start by placing Dreamy in the center of the nail and I'm going to blend it up and down the nail just to make sure that there are no harsh lines. I only want to take it slightly down the nails because I wanted a slight glass tip on the free edge. I am going to be applying that chunky glitter, but yeah, I just really wanted to leave it without as much colour saturation towards the free edge and it looked absolutely stunning. So now that I've applied my colour, I'm coming in with pure pink and I'm going to do the cuticle fade again. So I'm applying a large to medium bead, just placing it around that cuticle and then blending it into the colour that I've already applied. Next I'm going to come in and I'm using the loose glitter, which is Cool Whip, and I'm going to go ahead and apply this towards the free edge and blend that up the nail. Also guys, if you didn't already subscribe, please do go ahead and subscribe. Leave me a comment down below and let me know what you are wearing on your nails. I'd love to know. I'd love to know if you've got a set on right now, if you've got a short gel polish set, are your nails manicured or are they a hot mess? Let me know. We can all support one another no matter the situation we are in. I'm just taking my time to gently move around the glitter to where I want it. It's important that you do this because if you kind of left it all just clumped in one area, first off, it wouldn't look very well balanced or proportioned how you want it to look. And second off, you might just end up with a thick, bulky nail in certain areas, which again, you don't want. You want your nail to be nice, slender, even, and just well balanced all around. So once you're happy with the product and it's all in place, we can then move on to the next step. These are the nails that we've done so far, and I'm going to do the same again on the two remaining nails. We're going to do a 2-colour ombre and then we're going to do the 2-colour ombre and the glitter. So here we are. Absolutely fabulous looking, gorgeous. This set as it is literally would be amazing. I think it looks super classy, elegant, and the glitter is just right. Like, let me know down below what you think. Do you think it looks absolutely bomb or what? Like, honestly, I think she's so pretty. Okay, so I'm going to be using the Foil Make Transfer Gel, and as I said, the set 1 from the Floral Foils. I'm choosing this gorgeous pink floral set with the greenery in. I wanted to add some of that delicate green as well. So I'm just going to take some out and just trim a little bit, and these are so easy to work with, and the fact that they come with a little handy storage container just helps keep them all organized as well. So once I've trimmed a bit, I'm just super speedily putting that back in the container just to make sure it stays nice and organised. And this is the small amount that I need. Literally, you get 10 meters of each design in all of the sets, which I think is amazing. I've applied my foil gel to the nail and I've cured it for a full 60 seconds. I've then allowed it to air dry for a further 30 to 60 seconds just to allow it to become super tacky. And then I'm coming in with my transfer foil. I'm placing it down on the nail and then coming in with the outer space scraper pusher, and I'm just using that to really push into the nail and transfer that image onto the gel that we've applied. And as you can see, absolutely beautiful transfer. The image looks stunning, and I'm just going to repeat the same process on the other nail. If any of you guys are wondering as well, I am going to leave all the links down below, so if you're interested in anything, then definitely check out the website. Okay, so now we've got our foils applied. That is everything for this portion of this set. I'm coming in with Nail Make Crystal Clear Acrylic, and I'm just going to go ahead and encapsulate all of the nails. So you'll probably have noticed as well that I have left this in real time, and this is the way that I'm going to do it from now on. So I'm kind of trimming out the bits that you don't need to see, but leaving it in real time, the bits that I am keeping in the video, because I feel that way. Like most of you commented, you loved being able to see kind of how long it takes in real time to complete something, or you can just see the techniques better, and it just feels so much more relaxing. Like I'm not speeding through and getting it finished in 6 minutes flat. Do you know what I mean? You can chill, get a hot drink, relax, or watch the video, put your feet up at the end of a busy day and just chill and share doing nails with me, which I think is super fun and relaxing. Whereas if I've sped through it all, it's over before you've even begun. Kind of, that's what I'm feeling like. So yeah, I enjoy the real time, and you guys seem to enjoy it as well. So I'm going to keep it this way, and hopefully you just enjoy. I'm just going to go ahead and encapsulate one of the glitter nails on screen as well, so you can see that process. It is slightly different in the sense of you want to make sure that you are covering everything, and you want your beads to be a little wetter than usual, since you want it to surround your glitter, and this way you're not going to end up with as many air bubbles or any at all. Nailmate Clear has been really treated to ensure that the bubbles and everything are not there. You guys will see on my close-ups, if you look back on all of my videos, the air bubbles, they're literally non-existent because our clear is super crystal clear. So yeah, just thought I'd pop that in there. So I'm just going to apply my cuticle bead and blend that down, and then allow that product to set. So now it has set, I'm coming in with the 180 grit nail files. These come in a pack of 5 and they are available on the website. I absolutely love them. I've used them for years. Amazing. Amazing. Some of you guys did have some issues with our files, and I spoke to our manufacturer, got that resolved, and these are back to our original files. They had changed, unfortunately. Even though the change was very minor, some of you did notice a difference, and upon re-examining them myself, I also noticed the slight difference, which has now been rectified. So just thought I'd also pop that in there because it's information that needs to be shared. You guys need to know. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and finish file this nail, not just this one. I'm gonna do all of them. And then when I've done that, it's time to add some crystals, which I love so much. Okay, so I've dusted everything off using the mini dust brush, and this is where we are at. So it's time to come in and add some crystals. For a moment I was not very sure where to place the crystals, and then I had a fabulous idea of doing like a heart with some wings but in crystals. So I'm going to be using the instant nail and gem glue, which is available on my website, and I'm just going to be using the basic wax pencil rhinestone picker upper. And yeah, let's get applying. So I've applied my glue to the nail, and out of the flat back shapes pack you do get some hearts in there, which I think are super cute. So that's going to be the center of the design. And for the wings I'm adding opal crystals in mixed sizes, and I'm doing that on both sides. So I'm going to use this super gloss to top coat the nails, but first I'm going to go around the crystals because I want to come in and add some of the micro crystal nail art into the centers and between the flat backs, because I feel like that just adds a lot more detail. I'm just gonna obviously top coat the pinky first, and then I'm gonna come back to the one with the rhinestones. How stunning did that Cool Whip glitter look with the ombre underneath? Honestly, it's super pretty. So I'm just top coating this one with matte top coat. So I really wanted to have a matte finish on some of the nails, and both of the ones with the foils on were the ones that I chose to keep matte, and it really just set it all off and tied everything together and just looked really fancy. So this is a new Nailmate Satin Matte top coat, and it's absolutely gorgeous to work with. It goes on super smooth, and the matte finish on it is really, really pretty and kind of diffused, so I really love it. So I cured my matte top coat in the lamp for a full 60 seconds, and then I'm coming in with Save Scrub. You can use any cleanser that you have available, but I'm using Save Scrub, which is Nailmate's. And I'm just going to come in with the lint-free wipes. We do have these available now in the packs of 500, and I'm just wiping off the tacky layer. So moving on to the crystal nail, as I said, I'm coming in top coating around the gems, and then I do come in with the baddest liner brush and just make sure that all the top coat is surrounding all of the gems. You definitely don't want to go over the top of them, because that's going to kind of ruin the whole shape and the cut of the gem, which then will remove the shine basically. So I go between with the baddest liner brush, and then I'm using the baddest liner brush in the size 0 to pick up the little micro crystals and stick them into the top coat before I cure it. And this just looks really an email at this time, like I was nearly finished. And it just looks super, super gorgeous. So next I'm coming in and I'm using the Nailmate White Gel, and I'm just using the baddest liner brush again to pick some delicate hearts. These are super small and super cute. I just really wanted to pull that white iridescent in from the glitter into the other nails, and I thought that this would be a really cute way of doing it. So I've applied my gel, and before curing it I'm coming in with Princess, and I'm just going to go ahead and use a unused long nail tip and just sprinkle that glitter over the top. I'm going to tap off the excess and cure that in the light for a full 60 seconds, and then I'll show you guys the final result. And this is it. It is so delicate, so cute, and perfect for Valentine's. I really hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and as always, remember that you are bomb.com, lit as fuck, and don't ever let anybody tell you any different, because you've got this and I love you. Mwah. Bye!